Daddy.
Okay, strawberry cream cake day. First, we're gonna need some strawberries, 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, some cornstarch, milk, sprinkles for later, and chocolate chips. First, we're gonna open our cans of condensed milk. That one we're gonna need a can opener. Okay. Dump that into the pot.
Looks like noodles.
You and your noodles. I don't see why you think it looks like noodles.
Look, these things.
Oh, you're gonna get it all
Oh,
over.
look, Amy.
Okay, here, see.
Jimmy line. Where's Jimmy line? Jimmy line. My noodles. No.
Leave that there, babe.
Nobody playing. Darling. Okay.
Comes out real slow, huh?
Let's see if you
Jimmy
got
line.
it.
Jimmy.
It's delicious. Okay, and then you'll need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Here. Pour it in there.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, let's see. You're gonna have to scrape the rest of that out of there. Where's my scraper? I'll just use a spoon. Oh, you're doing intermission dancing.
What a dance party.
Look. There's that.
No.
Alright, and then we need 3 cups of milk. No, Bree's gonna do this one because it can get messy.
Let Brie do half of it, and then Asher can do the other half. Okay, now Asher can do the other.
Okay, now put this in there.
Good job.
Good job.
What you making, Asher? What you make?
Take it and
You want to stir?
mix it up. Okay. What's next? Eat a strawberry? Okay, next we're gonna heat it up over medium heat. So you definitely wanna get a parent for this part because you're on the stove. So you heat this until it gets nice and thick. And you constantly have to stir it or it'll get clumpy.
Wow. Oh my gosh, you're crazy.
Wow. Oh, nice strawberry. Nice strawberry.
You want to start cutting strawberries while I do this?
Yeah. Yeah.
You've got a cream board. Here.
Okay, baby, what you doing?
Why my dad cooks, I'm gonna cut strawberries with a butter knife.
So you just want chunks.
We washed them before, huh? Show them the weird strawberry we found. That's not it. Where's the big fat one? Yeah, that's a big one, huh?
Yeah.
And it's shaped weird. Oh,
This is taking forever. Take off the green stuff.
are you helping Asher? Good job.
I'm gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
That one's gonna give you a lot. Okay, do it.
I don't have the butter knife back.
Oh, Dad's got it, huh? He's cutting off all the green for you.
Here you go.
Okay. Buddy. Come on. Up here.
Whoa.
Well, that's going to be a mess.
Good job, Asher. Okay, Brie. Get some more.
We have this one. Oh, watch. Okay, this one.
Now that you chopped all your strawberries, put them in a bowl.
Now we chopped all our strawberries. Now we're gonna put them in a bowl.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay, now as you can tell from the state of my pot, we had a couple of boil overs. So be careful and regulate your heat so it doesn't boil over and make a big mess. But it's thick enough now that we're going to take it and we're going to add the strawberries. Now you can either do this while it's on the stove or it's in a separate bowl. We're doing it while it's on the stove. Just mix those strawberries in there. And then we'll transfer it to a bowl and let it get cool. And then we'll add the chocolate. Cut.
Now we're gonna make the chocolate on top.
Alright, so you take your chocolate chips, you put them in a bowl that's in a pot of water, so that way it doesn't get too hot. And you add some milk into it. And that way the water boils and heats the chocolate up and mixes it so it's nice and creamy. Where'd my stir stick go? Okay, now we got to put the mixture of the cream and the strawberries in the bowl. Get the scraper, scrape it, scrape it. Scrape it all in there. Get those last little bit of strawberries in there. Alrighty, lick it. Yummy. Okay, now we need to put that in the fridge and let it set and get a little bit harder, and then we'll pour the chocolate on it and try it out. So come back and join us later. And then we'll do the sprinkles.
Bye. We're back for part 2 for my strawberry cream cake. Yay!
Alrighty, welcome back to part 2. As our last video of the cream cake, it took forever for this stuff to set up, and it's still not set up. It's more of a pudding than a cake. So we're gonna treat it like that, and we're gonna scoop this out of the bowl, put it into a smaller bowl.
Ew, you just like to eat that.
And then we're gonna take the chocolate and drizzle it all over the top. You wanna eat it is what you wanna do. Okay, here you go. Here's the test. Bite. Give me the pink things. Give me the pink things.
Is it delicious?
Asher, get a bite.
How is it? Asher,
I'm not eating the chocolate.
how is it? Hey, Asher. Asher, can you give me a thumbs up? Say, mmm. Yummy.
Alrighty, well that was our attempt at a strawberry cream cake. It turned out to be strawberry pudding with chocolate. What do you think? Delicious? Give it a try. Let us know if it comes out to be a cake for you guys. Bye!